After enjoying a cozy evening around the fire, ashes can pile up pretty quickly. Sure, you could just leave them there, but you may risk the fire burning less efficiently. Luckily, there are several practical ways to reuse wood ash instead of throwing it out. Check out the many ways you can turn fire pit trash into useful treasure. Let's go over the safest way to handle fire pit ashes. Be sure to wait at least 24 hours after extinguishing the fire so you don't get burned. When the ashes are cooled enough to handle, place them in a metal container using a scoop or shovel. For safety, never place ashes in plastic, wood, or cardboard containers. Wood ash has many rich nutrients, including potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals beneficial for plants. Because wood ash is high in alkaline, you should test your soil's pH to ensure that you're helping and not hurting your plants. You can easily find and purchase soil testing kits online. Ash can be a helpful addition to a compost pile. Because ash is high in alkaline, you only need a small amount to add to your compost pile. A little bit goes a long way to enrich your compost pile with nutrients. You can also set the ashes aside for the next time you have a fire. Just like using dirt or sand to put out fires, you can spread ashes over the coals to help put out the fire. For more information, check out our article on 3 effective ways to put out a fire in a fire pit. Is your garden plagued with pests like snails or aphids? Firewood ash might just be the solution. To prevent plant-hungry bugs from coming near your greenery, sprinkle a small amount near your plants, though you will need to reapply it after it rains or watering your plants. Ants can also be an unwelcome pest near your home. Seeing those little ant hills on your sidewalk, walkway, or patio can be an eyesore. Fortunately, wood ash can help you banish these beastly pests. Simply sprinkle the ash over the ant hills and force them to move to a different location. When you combine ash with water, you create lye, an ingredient used in soap making for ages. However, lye is also a highly caustic substance, so handle this mixture with great care. Use goggles, heat-resistant gloves, and boots for protection. To learn how to make lye, check out this article from the Spruce Crafts here. As mentioned, mixing water and ashes creates lye, which can be effective for cleaning. It's rather effective at buffing out grime on windows, glass fireplace doors, and silverware due to its corrosive properties. Again, please be careful when using these materials for cleaning, especially around your eyes, nose, throat, and clothing. Did you know that chickens enjoy taking dust baths? Place a small bucket of ash near their area, but make sure there's no water nearby. The ash is beneficial for the chickens, as it can prevent mites and other pests from infesting your feathered friends. Enjoying time with friends and family is one of the best experiences you can have with a fire pit. If you're in need of a fire pit, check out sunnydazedecor.com for a wide variety of fire pits, rims, and liners. Cleaning out the leftover ashes might not always be fun, but there are many ways to reuse and repurpose this material in a practical way. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.